So, I will make a paper plane that flies very good, and I will show you how to make it. It's a new one. So first, you get a paper, and then you fold it into half. It's like a normal paper plane first. If you don't know, just fold it like this. Make it like this. And then you see, just open up. And then it's going to be like this. And sorry if it's the light is I don't know how to say it. No, look, it's like this. You can close it and open it, and then you just do like a normal paper plane, like this. Right here, they put it here. Yes. You just do like this.
Ну а что, Олимпиада, вы, конечно, особый матч. Да, еще у меня есть очень много знакомых, но все-таки ты должен в первую очередь свою работу делать. Хотя я
So you do like this. Yeah, it's so yeah, and then you fold this like this. And the other side like this too. And then you just, it should go be like this, and then you just from this and you turn it around, and then you fold it like this. And then there's going to be two of them. And then as you see, it's like this. And then you just do like a normal plane, like this to make a plane. Sorry if you don't know how to do it, I'm just looking, so don't judge me. And this is how you make a paper plane. Let me show you how it flies. Well, you will try yourself. Whee! It flies good. And bye-bye.